Alright, so I will show you our 2-bedroom unit, which is a special unit kasi wala kang neighbor po kasi nakahiwalay siya. And this is the area, dito rin yung fire exit. Kaya maganda yung unit na to. Ayan. So this is a 2-bedroom unit, corner unit, a special corner unit na 45 square meters po ito. So ayan, ganyan siya kalaki. Sobrang spacious na din. And malaki yung bathroom here. Meron din siyang provisions for the washing. Ayan. So this is the living room. Floor to ceiling yung window natin. Ayan. At wala kang obstructions. Ang ganda ng view mo. Greeneries and city lights. Kitang-kita yung Cubao. Gateway. Ayan. So here is the master's bedroom. Ayan. Ang ganda ng natural light natin kasi corner unit siya. 2 windows. Ayan. So this unit is the only available unit here na ganito yung cut. And may sarili rin siyang bathroom. May for exhaust and may ventilation din yung window dyan. And here is the other room naman. Ayan. Ayan siya. So if you're interested to view the unit and to inquire, just message me here.